If you're thinking about getting a VPN in 2025, now's the perfect time, because you can get up to 86% off Surfshark and extra 3 months with an exclusive coupon code. In this video, I'll show you why Surfshark is one of the best VPNs out there, what makes it special, and how to grab that massive discount through techshieldreviews.com. Let's start with why Surfshark stands out. It's not just a VPN, it's an all-in-one privacy and security suite. Surfshark gives you unlimited device connections, meaning you can protect your phone, laptop, tablet, and even your family's devices, all with one account. Security-wise, Surfshark uses AES 256 encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and modern WireGuard protocols for ultra-fast speeds. It also includes Clean Web, which automatically blocks ads, trackers, and malicious websites while you browse, keeping your connection clean and safe. When it comes to performance, Surfshark is excellent. You can easily unblock Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and many other streaming platforms worldwide, all while maintaining fast, stable speeds. It's perfect for streaming, gaming, and secure browsing on any device. And Surfshark isn't just about VPN protection. With the Surfshark One bundle, you also get Surfshark antivirus, data breach alerts, and a private search tool, giving you complete online security and privacy in one subscription. And here's the best part. You don't have to pay the full price. You can get up to 86% off Surfshark right now with an exclusive coupon code at techshieldreviews.com, a trusted site for verified VPN deals. I've also left the direct link in the pinned comment below. When you click it, the discount will be applied automatically at checkout. So if you're ready to protect your privacy, unblock global content, and save big, go grab your Surfshark coupon code now and take advantage of the 86% off deal before it's gone. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it, comment with your thoughts on Surfshark, and subscribe for more honest VPN reviews and cybersecurity deals.